So today we are gonna learn three question words: kate, kaste, or kadete. So recently I made a video and podcast about question words and I explained them with examples. But I forget to mention these three words, so that's why I'm gonna explain them in this lesson. If you haven't watched it or listened my recent podcast and video, then make sure you watch it or listen it. If you want to listen it, then you can listen it on my podcast, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, whatever you use. If you want to watch it as video, then check out my YouTube channel. Link is in the description. So basically we use these three words, kadite, kaste, or kate, when we are asking for what kind of vehicle are you going to use. For example, you told me you will go to the city, right? In Punjabi you say मैं ਹੁਣ शहर ਜਾਣਾਗਾ or मैं ਹੁਣ शहर जाऊंगा, right? It means I'll go to the city. Probably I would ask like तू कादे ते जावेगा, right? Or तू काते जावेगा or तू कास्ते जावेगा. I can use whatever I want, right? So basically all three word meaning is the same. तू शहर कादे ते जावेगा, which means like how do you go to the city, right? Or what vehicle would you use to go city, right? Would you go on the bus or you would use car or motorcycle, whatever, right? Another example, if I ask you to follow my podcast, I will say in Punjabi like तू मेरा podcast follow कर ला. Then you can ask like where to follow my podcast. In Punjabi you can say कादे ते follow कर ला or कास ते follow कर ला or काते follow कर ला. Alright, so this is how you can use these three words. So there's another way to say, like you can say किस ते follow कर ला. Alright, but anyway this word is a little bit different than these three words, but you can use whatever you like. Basically these three words meaning is like which thing, that is basic thing or basic meaning. All right, so you would say मैं तेरा पॉडकास्ट कादे ते फॉलो कर ला. मैं तेरा पॉडकास्ट गूगल पॉडकास्ट ते फॉलो कर ला या एप्पल पॉडकास्ट या स्पॉटिफाई ते. Alright, that's how you asked me. Then I can reply कासे ते भी कर ला और कादे ते भी कर ला. So it means what I said you can follow my podcast wherever you like. So at the end I hope you understand the meaning of these three words. So at the end, if you think you are getting the value from this channel and you wanna support it, then you can support it through Patreon. Link is in the description. By the way, if you have a hard time to understand Punjabi pronouns like passive pronouns, active pronouns, and possessive pronouns, then you can get my free ebook. Link is in the description. So at the end, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.